This video was sponsored by Enhance, Elbilmek, ABRP Planner, Kempower and Bilkomponenter. Yo, what's up? This is BYD Sealion 7 and in this video I'm gonna find out how much space it has by putting in banana boxes. And as you guys guessed, we are in Thailand, so I brought the banana boxes here. So let's start with the front then. And then voila, we actually have a quite sizable front here. Let's see. Okay, it doesn't fit like that, but wait, I think it's supposed to be, was it 50 liters or more like 30 liters, but this will almost close, but since it doesn't close, it doesn't count as one banana box. Wait, unless you can open up under here. No, okay, no, yeah, okay. So, unfortunately, no banana box here. So many insects here. So much wildlife here. Look at the back. It looks nice, yeah. But it has this sloping back here, which will eat up some space. So, yeah, I'm not sure how much space we have, but at least the trunk is big. Well, okay, we'll take out this. What about here? Can we open up more? Oh, we can free up more space here. Okay, you see, here we have an okay well. Okay, not as big as Model Y, but fairly spacious. We have DUN audio there. Okay, subwoofer there, securing hooks, some lights on each side, a little pocket here for storing some more stuff. Wait, what? Wait. Why did it close the? I wonder if I activated the kick sensor. Yeah. Okay, that's a bit unfortunate. Don't kick. If you stand here, don't wiggle your leg around. Yeah. Otherwise, you'll activate it. But yeah, so let's see. But wait, can we recline or change the angle of the seat? And you see, now we're in the most reclined position. But if you go all the way like this and then you just click it there, it actually locks. Okay, this is quite church bench, almost 90 degrees, but you have several steps. See, there, one more. Yeah, I don't know how many steps until it goes there. So we just use the most upright position then. Yeah, this is legal and okay, maybe not that comfortable, but it works. Right, round one in the trunk. So because it has that sloping end, it's not ideal, but still it seems like it can take many boxes. So let me see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Very impressive. It's right on par with MEB cars. Okay, not as good as some of the best cars. They can take 10, 11 boxes, but 9 is quite legit. As usual, I try to put as many boxes as possible in here. So you see, this is very nice. We can put one box horizontally. That means that we have very good leg space, leg room. And then in the front here.
Please check if the key is inside the car.
Stop bugging me about the freaking key. You see that we could go all the way to the roof there. Wow, huh? Looks good. All right, since we're in Thailand, we have to count in Thai. So let's turn up the pitch and start counting.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18,
22, 23, 24, wow, 25 boxes. Again, that is right on par with the MEB car. So given the size of this car, 25, we could almost fit one in the front, you know, but yeah, so at least we confirm that we have the same space as the competitor. Well, actually, but not beating the Expect G7. Oh, yeah, G6, okay. But that's gonna be it for now. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, thank you for watching and talk to you later.